Ashmead in 6, Jobadwana 7, Weir in lane 8. Good start from Bolt. He's already up a little bit on Jamili, who's got some work to do at the moment. Bolt leading halfway around the bend and is well past Jamili. Comes into the straight with a good lead. The Briton with some work to do at the moment. Also going well, the Jamaicans. Jamili battling away there for the bronze medal. Weir coming through, but he's 2 metres down. Bolt's going to take it. The pair of them well clear. 19.66 for Usain Bolt. And that's again for Usain Bolt the fastest time in the world this year. Warren Weir, well, all credit to him. He talks himself into a bit of a spot to the 23-year-old, saying over the last few weeks that he could beat Usain Bolt. He didn't, of course, but there wasn't much more than a metre between them, and there was some 3 metres or so behind Warren Weir in second. So 1 and 2 for Jamaica in that final.
I think it may well have been a sweep for the Jamaicans. Ashmead was finishing very fast, as was Curtis Mitchell as well. We'll see in a moment. It's very, very close. In fact, Curtis Mitchell has been given it. He was the fastest of the finish. It was very, very close with Nickel Ashmead, and also the Briton has had a terrific run. And let's look at it, Tim. For the first time in 20 years, Britons have broken 10 seconds in the 100 metres and 20 seconds in the 200 metres at a championship. Hasn't happened since 1993, when we had the winner, Linford Christie, and John Regis, of course, the silver medal in this event.
Jamili 5th, 20.08 behind the 3 Jamaicans, the American Mitchell. Just to give you those times again, 19.66 for Bolt, Weir 19.79, Mitchell 20.04. Those are the medalists. Ashmead 20.05, Jamili 20.08. The youngster was 4/100ths of a second off a medal, but didn't he battle there in the middle in that white vest to get back to Curtis Mitchell, and indeed to his right, Weir and Ashmead. Oh, it was so tight.
You see where Curtis Mitchell came from. 7th coming into the home straight out of the 8. He really was finishing so fast. He just gets there ahead of Ashmead.